Guys, welcome back to your show, Tiro Crypto. Once again, welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna talk about something very interesting that is just unraveling in the crypto market, guys. Beware of the 3-day death cross. And if you like this content, if you believe I'm providing you with some good education regarding crypto, please hit that like, hit that bell, and subscribe to the channel. Okay? Like I usually say, I'm not a financial advisor. I do not provide anybody with financial advice. Okay? This is just for educational purposes. So, having said that, let me show you something that I found out on this chart, guys. You have to be really, really careful with this. Okay? And I'm gonna take you to a indicator that's called MACD or MACD. MACD. It sort of measures just like any of the indicators, the up and down of the market. And it's also is a lagging indicator, meaning that it kind of lags behind the action of the market on real time. But one thing that you need to consider, and this is something that you need to know and consider, okay? This is the present time, right? So we're moving towards the right, at least my right. So to our left, it's all the past history of Bitcoin. And one thing you need to consider is that Bitcoin, it doesn't repeat the past, but it mimics, okay? So all this movement that you've seen, and let's think about this movement as a 4-year cycle. Some people don't believe in that. I'm kind of in between. But in order for you to understand it, you need to have the mindset that Bitcoin moves in cycle, right? One down, that's when the bear market comes, just like it happened here. And let me just, for point of reference, okay? This is the top of the market here, right here. And we've been going down, 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 down. So this is the first year. Better yet, let me go back to 2017, 2018. This is the end of the bull market, all this parabolic rise, right? Then we have that whole year would keep fluctuating, just like here, kind of pinpoint back and forth, and finally capitulating here. This is the bear market for whole year. Now, that's year one, boom, right? 17, end of 17, 2018, all the way to 2019, around here, right? So it's a whole bear market. Now, year two, that's when you build the base. Kind of up and down, up and down, up and down, right? 2019, that's when you build the base, and you might go up, but then again, come down. 2020, we start now going higher off that base. Around here comes the halving. Okay, that's when the Bitcoin, the miners get half or less of, if they get 6, now they're gonna get 3. Every time they sort of solve that problem. It's just a mathematical problem, right? And they get awarded Bitcoins. Every time you got the halving, you get half of that. So from here on, it's parabolic. This is the last year, the third year out of the 3. So 1 is low, just like here, and 3 kind of forming the base and then going higher and higher, okay? So all this movement that you see here, all of it, Bitcoin sort of make similar moves. Not the same, because that would be like, but it makes similar moves that you can sort of guess which way it's going, and you can prepare yourself. Now, having said that, MACD, okay? Death cross, a 3-day death cross. Notice that we have 2 lines here, the blue and the red. When the blue is on top, we're going up, right? So just look here, the blue going up, and look at the price action here. It's going up, right? Now, up here, the blue went under the red, all the way down here. Look how the price action here was affected. It showed here, right? Down, 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 down. So, again, simple. When they're blue, in this case it's blue, you can put any other color, but mine is blue and kind of reddish or orange. When the blue is on top, market goes up. When the blue goes under the red, market goes down. So here, we have the death cross, right? On the 3-day chart. This is a 3-day chart. It happened here, boom, moving down. It happened up here, We kind of climax and went back down again. So look, guys, it's happening right now. Let me just zoom in on the only on the MACD so you could see it. Right here, guys. We just had that cross, or the 3-day cross, right here. And this is coincide with what? Coincides with that second drop that we have on November 9th. But this is not the end of it. This is the beginning. Remember, look here. Let me just show you again. When we cross this, when it crossed here, right? It went down for a little while. How long or how deep? Let's look, let's check. It went down around 37%, more or less, right? Over here, when it crossed around here, it went down. It crossed here. It went down around, if we sort of measure everything, around 54%. Now let's assume that we're gonna go down that low. Let's say 50%. What would that put us? It'll put us around 50%. Guys, $8,000 and change, right? But let's say 50% was the highest, 30-something% was the second one. So in between, let's say 35%, 35, 40%. It'll put us just around 11,000. And that's the target that I've been telling you guys for the longest, 13K to 11K. That's the price that I believe if we get that last drop, and with it, that capitulation candle that we're looking for. It might wick all the way down to maybe 10,000, who knows? But this is what we're waiting for. Again, 3-day death cross. It's here, and it hasn't failed on any of the occasions that it had presented, right? The moment that blue cross under the red or reddish, doesn't look too good for Bitcoin. Not only that, guys, keep in mind, we have the issue of FTX, lack of liquidity, bankruptcy, and FTX was sort of a octopus, right? It has tentacles all over the market, and it's touching and affecting all the companies, like Genesis, right? All these companies, you can go online and look for it. Genesis now is requesting $1 billion as a loan to keep afloat, to keep working. By Monday, if it doesn't get that loan by Monday, we're going to be in trouble. So expect Monday to be a day that's going to have a lot of action, a lot of volatility. And if Genesis doesn't come up with that money, it'll be trouble. Again, the stock market, the legacy market, Dow Jones, S&P, is doing pretty well. It's doing pretty well. But as you can see, it might be, let me open this thing so you can see it. It might be topped out here, and we might be starting to move down this way. Okay? It might be topped out, and it might come back down to this level. But even if it doesn't happen, guys, BTC is not in a good shape. Crypto is not in a good shape. So be careful. Again, don't jump in if you have an inclination to do so now. Stay out. Look at the market. I'll be here to provide you more guidance into it, okay? So death cross, 3 days death cross. Stay on point, all right, guys? This is very, 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 very important that you stay on point, okay? That's it for today, all right? I just wanted to make that video and put it out there so you will be expecting, you don't get caught with your pants down. Guys, educate yourself, all right? Educate yourself. Like I say, I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. But if you decide to invest safely. Tiro Crypto. Bye-bye.